Hello everyone, my name is Reena and welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, I am going to discuss about the lambda function and I will cover 3 points here. What is lambda? How to get lambda function in the Excel, and third point is how to use this lambda function. So first, what is lambda? Lambda is a brand new powerful function and this function can create custom function which makes it a very powerful. And the best thing is that to create this custom function, now we don't require any VB programming language. One point is how to get this lambda function. Before guide you here, I want to make a point here that lambda is only available in the Insider Edition beta channel of Microsoft Office 365. So may soon it will be available for everyone. But for now, it's in the Insider version beta channel Microsoft Office 365. So let's go now. Here, click on the file in the ribbon and click on account. Now here, Office Insider. Click on the Office Insider drop down button. Now here, you will see join Office Insider. So first you join it. Click on this. Now this window appears and it's saying sign me up for early access to new release of Office. Check it. Current channel preview. Change this to beta channel. And here just check it, and because saying I agree to the terms and condition and press OK button. Now Microsoft Office, click to run client. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully opted in the Office Insider program. Okay. Just wait. This we don't need. Now here, click on, first you check it just to see equal lambda if it is available here. No. Then go back to the file again, account, and click on this button and press on in under the Office updates, update option, click on update now. Okay, just wait for some time now. Now it says save your work before continuing, press on continue and wait again. Now it says updates were installed, your Office updates has been installed, you can use your Office apps now. Press on close button and let's check here. Here lambda. Now we can see lambda function in our Excel. Okay, so how to use this function now? So our third point is how to use this function. So let's take a simple calculation that what is lambda function. If you write here lambda, the syntax shows parameter or calculation. If I say the x value is 5, the parameter x, so and I say x plus 1, then what it should be? If x is 5, then 5 plus 1 should be 6, correct? And if I want to create the function, the same function, the addition function in the lambda, then how I will do it? Let's go to the formula tab, click on the name manager, click on new. Here we can give any name. So I'm giving addition of 1. Most important thing, when you are writing the formula name, please don't give space between these. Here scope. So you want to apply this formula to the entire workbook or in just sheet. Right now I'm selecting sheet as I need this formula only in the sheet 1. Here you can write the comment and here you can paste our formula which we have created. So paste the formula. So we can give some comment like addition formula addition of 1, you can say, and then press OK. Now press on the close button. You can see the formula has been created with the name of addition of 1. And here this is our function. Press on close button. Okay, just imagine if I want to give a calculation here. Equal calculation the formula name was addition of 1. You can see here the formula is appearing plus whatever we have written in the comment box. That the comment is also showing here. Press on the tab button, open parenthesis. Now this is the addition of 1 because we said x plus 1. X was 5 for example, and if I plus 1 it should be 6. So if I say x is 95 and I say because x plus 1, so it will plus how many so it will plus how much? Just 1. So here if I close the parenthesis and press the enter, it should be 96. You can see here. So this was the small example here, and let's write the formula VLOOKUP here. And before that, little introduction of this data. Here we have a social security number, name, rating, and the bonus amount we require. We have the lookup table here. This is the company data, and in the company, whomsoever has done the fair job will get the bonus of 200 rupees. Has done very good job will get the 800. The excellent one will get the $1,000. So here we will apply the formula. In the simple meaning, if we need this, we can apply VLOOKUP formula here, correct? But now we will write lambda function here. So let's write equal lambda. You can see here the definition creates a function value which can be called within formulas. So now open parenthesis. The syntax is saying parameter or calculation. So parameter is our what? Lookup value we need here. So I need my x is here is this rating. So I will give here not x, I will say rating, comma. Now the calculation. So we have this lookup table here. So just write VLOOKUP formula. Press tab button, open parenthesis. What is the lookup value? This rating. And I have rating here. So as you remember x plus 1. So now we write rating. And you can see here this is also showing if I write here rating. You can see my x is rating here. Rating. Press tab, comma. It asks me for table array. You know the table array. Same. So let's select our table and freeze this through F4, comma, column index number. Now it's asking me for column index number 1, 2. So column index number will be 2, comma, false for exact match, or you can write 0. Close parenthesis, press OK. Sorry, here I should have I should have closed it 2 times, which I haven't. So say yes, I accept this correction. Now let's create this function. This function in the lambda, in the in the name manager. So I will click on the new. This is the new function. What I need the bonus amount. So I'll give the name bonus amount, and I'm not giving any space here as this is a formula name. Where I need it, I need this formula in sheet 1. I will paste my formula here, and I will give little bit here description. You can say that for lookup, for bonus amount lookup, in fact you can write like to apply formula, just write formula name. What is the formula name? Bonus amount amount, bonus amount, just write bonus amount and select rating. I believe this is the enough description. Press now OK button. Now our formula has been created. The formula name is bonus amount. Press on the close button here. Now write equal bonus amount. You can see whatever I have written in the comment section I am getting here. Press on the tab button, open parenthesis, and what I need this. I have written in the comment also, press on the rating, select rating only. Close parenthesis, press enter. Now I got the bonus amount with the help of this lookup table here, and I don't need to write any formula or freezing the value and all. So just write bonus amount and just select this rating. So that's how this formula works in a very easy way. One more example you can take here. I need the total. In the easy way, what I will do here to get the total? Of course, I will just take the unit number and I will multiply it with the unit cost. So this is how we do it. But through the lambda, how I will do it? So let's write equal lambda parameter. What is the parameter here? So I will take my parameter here unit. So I will give the name unit. So I give name here unit. Now I need what? I need to multiply this. From what unit? So unit, you can see here x is now unit multiply with the unit cost. Close parenthesis, press enter. Now just copy this formula simply. Go to the name manager under the formula. Press on the new button as we are creating the new formula here. I will give this I will give name to this formula as total. No, it's a very good name already. Total is fine. Yeah, I need this formula in the sheet 1, and here is the formula I will write. Write description. It is multiplying unit. It is multiplying unit cost. Okay. Now you can see total formula has been created. Press on the close button and let's write here total equal total. I have this formula here. Now open parentheses and just select unit because our x, the name was unit. So press on this, close parentheses, press enter, and I got this value here. Just double click on this and here we got the value. So I have explained the lambda function here with 3 examples, and so how to get this lambda, what is lambda, and the examples. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, I request you please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest updated videos. Until that time, get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.